guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. Let me show you guys what my Nina gave me.
She likes a selfie stick. Oh wow. But now,
You heard her? Guys, I've been having a crisis with my outfit. Having a hard time. Guys, I literally am having trouble with my outfit. Freaking gosh. Okay. Yeah, look at this fit check for my sister. Where's your top from?
Thrift store.
Yeah.
Thrift store.
Uh-huh.
Adidas.
Okay.
Bracelet.
Bracelet on leak. Okay. Fit. It's kind of plain, but this is from Cotton On. Shirts from Cotton On. This pants is from Shane and Converse. And hair made by my sister. Synthetic. Now clip from the Philippines. Bag from my Nina. Okay. Yeah, this is the fun outfit.
picture. Can I borrow it?
Yeah, of course.
For like a 30 minutes drive. I know all the store there.
Hey guys, so now we arrived at the store. Show the drink. Shoes! Shoes! Look at those shoes! Shoes! Okay, that's my Nina. It's my Tita Emily. Okay. Guys, look! Okay, now our aunts are getting makeup, the cushion foundation, and it's taking forever. Like, it should be taking out forever. It shouldn't be taking forever. Guys, now we're waiting. They're taking forever now. They're finally paying for their stuff, but like, I went there and started to check again, but like, they took forever. They were just at the same spot. Bye. I'm kind of low-key like scared to film. Okay, bye. Guys, for my latest video, look who I bumped into. You say hi. Hey guys. Now we're gonna go eat. No, I think that bag is better. Now we're at the K place, and I'm gonna get the
memorabilia album.
She just
I'm not getting shit.
Hey guys, so we went to go to the K place in here at the source, and I was gonna buy the album, but like one of my Moods, one of my friends that work there, they told me to come later because there's a lucky draw to the album that they give to you when you purchase the album. So I was like, bet, I'll wait.
I don't really like sparkling stuff.
Oh my gosh. It tastes so
Yeah, I know. They're not everything. Hi, people. Damn, you fucking ate that shit up?
yeah.
No, you didn't. You threw it away.
No, I didn't. It was already here.
She didn't.
Hi guys. Oh, farting!
Farting.
Swimming our feet.
Friend, I thought it was for free. That's what they said. Like they only pay $1, but then I guess the rest of the payment is on us. The other one.
Just get two. There's sweet apple. No, I feel like it's a sweet.
But that's what they get.
Or this one. Like,
You get two.
I feel like it would be here. Yeah. Which one did we get last time? Yes. And mustard and a hot dog. These are
It was a different one, but it's the same thing.
you have to.
Stupid.
So cool. Whoa. It's like sausage. Look how cool. Oh yeah, some choppers are good.
Oh, this one's small.
That price.
Only for skin, chicken.
Yeah.
Let's see. Carrots, chicken, kale. Stop complaining.
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Saan?
Say hi. Wait, bro.
Nakataas pa yung buhok ko.
Bob is fine. Bob is fine.
Okay, so this is a sausage, and there's like a smoky smell to it, which is pretty good. Then we're gonna cook this up. So when I cook this sausage, it's like there's like a little crunch, effect. To cook the sausage all the way, I should add like a cover. Kind of want that crunch effect to the sausage, so I'm gonna like cover it. Now I'm gonna like wash some of these carrots and then wash the bell pepper and cut it up so we can eat it. What the sausage looks. So I finished the food.
See.